If you need to connect with someone remotely, the first thing you need is your AnyDesk address. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find it in just a few seconds, so you can copy it and share it with anyone who needs to connect to your device. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. If it's not already installed, make sure you launch the app from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu. Once it opens, give it a moment to load completely. You want to wait until the main screen appears because the address is shown right there on the home page. Now, on the main AnyDesk screen, look carefully for a label that says "This desk, your address" or "AnyDesk Address." Depending on the version of AnyDesk you have, the wording may be slightly different, but it will always be shown in the same general area on the main screen. Right under that label, you'll see a number or address displayed. That is your AnyDesk address. This is the unique ID that other people can use to connect to your device. It's important to note that this address is specific to your computer, so make sure you copy the correct one. Next, copy the address. You can usually do this by highlighting it and using the copy option, or by clicking the copy icon if one appears next to the number. Once it's copied, you can paste it into a message, email, chat, or wherever you need to share it. After that, send the address to the person who needs access. They can enter it into their AnyDesk app to request a connection. Just make sure you only share it with someone you trust, since this is what allows them to reach your device remotely. And that's it. You've now found your AnyDesk address, copied it, and shared it the right way. It's a very simple process once you know where to look, and now you can do it anytime you need remote support or want to connect with another device. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.